Now the question for today is on this bonding, this 80 million bond. I have a summary notice of sale, and I was looking for an official statement just to get details on this, but I couldn't find it. And in this summary notice of sale, it said to go to onedealprospectus.com, and it's not there, the official statement or whatever. And the latest official statement I could find was from 2008 on that 105 million. I found nothing on this 80 million. So the first question is, where can I find it? Why isn't it on One Deal Prospectus? Is it on municipalbonds.com, or is it somewhere where I can request it? And the other part is I'm looking to put a chart together of taxes by municipality. I have it from 05 to 2010, but I don't have 2011, like who you bill and the open space thing. Is that anywhere on the internet or on your website, or you want to rattle them off now to me? Or
I certainly can rattle them off now.
okay, that was it. So you could just get to where I could find the bond thing.
Mr. Bowe, I believe, can provide you that information. Would you come up, please?
Madam Chairman, through you, that the official statement was posted this afternoon about 5 o'clock.
And where is it posted?
I believe it's on that website you referred to.
OneDealProspectus.com. Okay, thank you.
Rating. The New York Star Ledger has an item up today, and if you'll permit me to just vote on
Everybody's thunder, but please feel free.
Okay. Union County has received a pristine credit rating that projects a stable financial outlook. Fitch Ratings, one of the top 3 rating agencies, said the county was in good shape and investors should have no concerns about buying its bond notes, and went on to talk about the very stable financial situation, which is a credit really to our leadership and to our financial department, which over years has looked ahead and planned accordingly. And so I thank all my colleagues and manager and your staff for the work that has led to this, and thanks to everyone who came tonight.
Thank you.
To add a little bit to Freeholder Kowalski, I'm going to read, because we all were interested and happy to see the Fitch bond rating come, which is the AAA rating we received just recently, the highest credit rating attainable. And I just want to read this and add to what Freeholder Kowalski mentioned. Fitch analysts said that they based the county's AAA rating on its diverse local economy, strong transportation network, manageable debt levels, and they're finding that the new management understands the county's financial pressures. So that was nice to read about and understand. You never know when you go out for a bond how the ratings are going to come back. We feel confident when we do that, and certainly we got what we expected, another strong rating for the bond agencies.
Well, there's the bonding that we really should get into. They mentioned twice, the freeholders, that they had a AAA rating from Fitch, and you kind of have to understand a little about bond rating companies, which are really the scum of the earth. They will do anything. The problem there is they are paid by the people that they are rating, and there was this disaster with the subprime mortgages that they were involved in and stuff like that. And municipal bonds, I was just reading something that this is coming next. They don't really pay attention. Now, the interesting part about this, there are 2 parts to this. First of all, the official statement on this, well, they're bonding $80 million. The official statement came out 5 o'clock today. The other interesting thing is that Moody's rated the UCIA bonds a couple weeks ago, and they put a negative outlook on them. Now, what you do is go to a rating agency, you pay them money, and then if you like what they come back with, then you release it. So I was thinking, and I didn't ask, but why wouldn't they have gone to Moody's first? Maybe Moody's came back with something negative on them and they didn't want it, so they went to Fitch. So it may not be that good, everything might not be rosy. Now, and then the other thing about bonds is it doesn't matter what your situation is. You could be bonded up to here. It's your ability to pay. And if you have a populace that you could tax, with impunity. You could double, triple taxes, and nobody would care because you'd still get reelected. Then the bond buyer looks at that and saying, yeah, it's a great deal. I'm going to get my money back.
When did they come out with that rating? Was it right after the primary?
The Fitch rating, I think it was in today's Star Ledger, so it would have been yesterday.
So yeah, it was right after the primary election. I said if they voted for these people again, that's it. This is a sure thing. The money pot is bottomless. To give them a great rating, it's impossible. It's just impossible.
They're going to get, and the debt is huge.
We can raise taxes anywhere from
No,
12 to 15 million dollars, no problem.
20 million for this clubhouse, all this stuff. It's hundreds of millions of dollars, 600 million, probably even more than that.